Welcome to the Gobloo world. Aji Samson amar Gobloo hokole ki kori ase? Hey Gobloos. Hi. What are you doing?
We are playing.
Okay.
Actually, I'm doing, but I'm singing.
Okay. So, do you want to read books?
Yes.
Do you know the habit of reading is very good? Do you like reading books?
Yes, I want to read my Victory. Let's see if you have more logos.
So, I have brought some books for you both. Yes, you can have it.
Thank you.
And there are some more books.
Wow.
Here you go.
Thank you.
It's both for you.
My library.
Both for you, Nancy and Rimlina, okay?
It's mine. But we will read. Okay?
Sao Kiki books ase?
I can give you Grady hand one.
Sao?
I'll give you Grady hand one. Okay, this is the Grady hand.
So Nancy, tell me the names of the books you have.
A to hide the grapes and no, these grapes are sour. The sparrow and the kingfisher. So, Nancy, A to key story hard. Donkey story.
Donkey Story.
Naam to kwa.
What is the name of this book?
It's donkey.
Okay, there is donkey in the story.
Yeah. And what is the name of the story? It's when I was reading.
Okay.
Ito naam to kwa? It's Intelligent Land.
Intelligent Lamb, yes.
Ito Mice and the Cat. Oh. Ito the soup party. Ito the foolish monkey. Ito the kingfisher. Ito the princess tower. Ito the princess and the bee. Okay. Ito Aladdin. Great hand. Ito Snow White. Ito Little Mermaid. Ito Goldilocks. Goldilocks and the Three. Ito Cinderella. Ito Piper. Ito Sleeping Beauty. Ito the Jackal and Camel. Yeah.
So Nancy, what is your favorite book?
It's my storybook.
Oh, all the books are your favorite?
Yes. So I'll make a messy thing.
Okay. So, aru ki books ase Sao?
Nancy, I am making such messy things. Nancy, to keep book hoy. Bear. Oh. Ito. Zebra book. Ito. Apple book. Ito. Motorcycle book. Ito. Color book. Yes. I'm a big lion. Yes. M for mango and N for net. Mom, I'm eating mango. Orange. P for pen. Mom, I'm eating orange. Q for quilt. R for red. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wool. X for Christmas tree. Zebra. Yuck.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock.
Okay, Nancy, listen. The mice and the cat. A family of mice once lived in a granary. As the mice family increased in number, they started eating up more and more grain. The owner of the granary gets worried. How should I get rid of the mice? Then he asked his wife. They are eating up all the stored grain. Why don't you get a cat? His wife suggested she will eat up the mice. The granary owner liked his wife's idea. The next day, he went to a pet shop and bought a cat.
So, এতিয়া আমাক Nancy কি story শুনাব? What story will you read to us, Nancy?
Nancy, which story do you want to read?
The breathing.
Now your turn. Now it's your turn. Your turn. Yes, your turn. No, your turn. I have read one time. Now your turn. About tomorrow. Nancy, come here. The Grady Hen. Once, a gray and a yellow hen were looking for grains for their chicks in the poultry farm.
So, reading is a good habit which should be developed very early. This is how the kids enjoy reading at home.
Mama, I'm in the muddy puddle. Mama, I'm in the muddy puddle and
Grimlina, তুমি খালি story books পঢ়ি ভাল পোৱা নে স্কুলৰ বুকছো পঢ়া? And Nancy, do you study the school books or only story books?
Mama,
Yeah.
I want to be in the muddy puddle right now, and I want to be dirty in the muddy puddle.
Okay.
I'm getting
So pack up all your books and keep them in its proper place. Yes. So reading is fun, isn't it?
Yes, I'm reading. I'm reading.
Reading it তোমালোকৰ brain sharp কৰিব, isn't it? So we should develop this habit of reading at least what? Half an hour every day. Okay? আৰু আমি সবে ৰিডিংক বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেন্স দিব লাগে আৰু সদায় আমি নতুন নতুন বুকস ভাল বুকস ৰিড কৰিব লাগে. So let us say bye bye to our viewers.
Nancy, let's say bye bye together. Bye bye.
Bye. See you all in the next episode of The Gobloo World.